Here we got a 65 Corvette. We always loved the 63 to 67 bottle styles on there. It's a blue convertible, small block. And you know, you're better off with the small block because they handle better. And you can make that small block do whatever the hell you want. You can, especially if you put a stroker in here, 383, you bore it out to like a 385, 386, and put the cam in there and all that stuff. Different heads. It's got a 5-speed. That thing would put out way over 400 horsepower. So, plenty of power, man. Plus, it's lighter. He's a rebel flag, man. I ain't used to looking at these federal flags anymore. I got so many other ones. I don't have any federal flags. I'm wearing a rebel flag, matter of fact. Wearing my rebel goonie hat, too. Tan. Looks sweet, man.